Guys, here we are today. We're gonna make a chicken sausage spaghetti bolognese. Man, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Other things we're gonna need. Of course, got my handy dandy bag here from HelloFresh. We got our chicken sauces. So let's see what else. Okay, and then we got our instructions. These instructions are kind of, I don't know if I just don't want to read today. I'm just gonna go with the flow. But it's gonna end up looking like that. Oops, sorry. Yeah, like that. The bag open. It's in the bag. All right. Got a zucchini. They look okay. They're pretty firm. Yeah. Okay. We have sour cream. There's a lot of sour cream, I tell you. Got these spaghetti noodles. And we have, crushed tomatoes. All right. What else? Oh, and more stuff. Italian seasoning. This is chicken stock. And it looks like some Parmesan cheese. And of course you gotta have the sausage mix. First things first, go ahead and get this zucchini chopped up. This guy's chopped up. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy cut in half. Cut in half. All right. I'm just gonna take them. They're already cut. Bam, bam. Cut them in half circles. All right, that's that. I don't know, something about reading instructions slows me up. But if I got in my mind how I want to cook something, that's just what it is. All right, these guys are good. Go ahead and take these guys. It's telling me to do something different. I'll show you. But you know, it says put in a baking sheet and then put olive oil over it and then put this Italian seasoning on it. I figured it'd be a lot easier. So go ahead and put it in the, go ahead and get it mixed up in here first. Don't lose them. Capture the ones you lose. All right guys, go ahead and get these guys on the sheet here. Spread them out. I'll spread out. Love that zucchini. Yes, sir. I'll spread it out here. Guys, we got these guys on the baking sheet. So in the oven they go on broil for 5 to 7 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes. Next, let's go ahead and get this sausage going with olive oil in the skillet, and we're gonna brown the sausage. This is here. Put it all in there. Come on, buddy. Almost there. We're just gonna break it up and brown it. Go. This is chicken sausage. All right, it smells a little bit different. Get this guy going. Go ahead and get this all browned up. Go ahead and get the noodles together. Already got the pot boiling right here. Slide those guys in there. All right. Add a little salt to the water, and I also add some. Added some oil. Then we add our crushed tomatoes to our sausage. There we go. Stir them in. We got our noodles just about ready. Basically, we got chicken sausage, the Italian seasoning, and we got crushed tomatoes. So far, that's what we have. Okay. Also, chicken stock that they want us to add. A lot of flavor, I tell you. They do cook with a lot of flavor. I do give them that. HelloFresh. Stir that in. Like the tomato, you know, put just a little sugar in it. They do suggest that too. I have to give it to them a teaspoon. And that should be good. Get it all stirred in there. A little concentrated chicken stock, sugar, tomato, crushed tomatoes, and chicken sausage with a little Italian seasoning. It's good. All right, they suggested put a little butter in it and sour cream. I'm not sure if this is making it Bolognese, but this is what we're going to do. All right. All right. Go ahead and get stirred in there. And next is the vegetables and the noodles. All right, got our vegetables. Go ahead and get those guys in there. Get those stirred up in there. Almost done. Almost done. Add our noodles. Yes, sir. I don't have a pasta spoon. Let me go ahead and get these guys over here and get it all mixed up, guys. Yes, sir. It's looking good already. Looking really good. We're gonna mix it up. But yeah, this is definitely enough for 2 people. Maybe the meatballs, they was slipping. But this is good. Here is what we have. I did have noodles left over, so I didn't put all those in there. I didn't feel a need to. But yeah, it looks good. It looks real good. Let's go ahead and plate it up and see how it tastes. We have it. Here we have it. All plated up. It did call for Parmesan, but I got some already open, so I'm gonna open that small bit up there. Let's add the Parmesan to the top. Pretty easy recipe. Look at that. And it's steaming hot, yes sir. Let's take a taste of it and see how it is. All right, here it is. Chicken sausage Bolognese. I couldn't even pronounce that name. All right, let's give it a taste, guys. Yes, sir. Let's eat. I've never had this before, and it is really good. I didn't think I was gonna care for the chicken sausage, but okay. All right, HelloFresh. There's some garlic bread. It be hitting. Yeah, they did a good job with this. This is good. This is really good. My goodness. Sorry. That chicken sausage. Yes, sir. This is really good. So, yeah, I saw what I did. Crushed tomatoes, zucchini, some pasta, sour cream, butter, chicken sausage, of course. And, I mean, if you want to, that chicken stock concentrated. I don't even need that. But all that to get this flavor, give it a try. I mean, you need to make this at home, right? But it's good. It's good. If you don't have time to cook, and you want something that already at the house, and you got to spend money on groceries anyway, to give a discount. I'll include it in the description. So that's it for me. That was really good. It's always kind of weird, following directions when you got it in your head already. So kind of have to use that cooking common sense to make these meals. So that's probably the only trip up I've had so far out of these 3 meals. So, by the way, the flavor was good. I trusted what they were giving to me, and I just cooked. I didn't really add anything extra. So that was the best part about it. But pray you guys are doing well. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I'd love to have you a part of the Big Guy family. And much love to you. God bless you. And I'll see you next video. Peace.